Running ads on TikTok may seem intimidating, especially if you're new to the platform. In fact, about 60% of businesses say that setting up ads on social media can be overwhelming, and I felt that same exact way, but once I dove in, I realized it wasn't as complicated as I thought it was. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about running TikTok ads and show you how even beginners can succeed without the confusion. And after this video, I have a link down below in the description where I can go through a walkthrough with you on how to run TikTok ads in order to gain followers. Understanding TikTok ads. How do they work? Before we get into whether running TikTok ads is hard, let's first understand how they work. TikTok's advertising platform, TikTok Ads Manager, allows businesses to create and manage campaigns in a structured way. There are several types of TikTok ads. In-feed ads. These appear as native content while users scroll. Top view ads. These are the first things that users see when they open the app. Branded hashtag challenges. This encourages users to participate in branded trends. Spark ads. These promote existing organic content to a wider audience. Branded effects. Custom AR filters and effects for interactive engagement. Basically, each of these ad formats serve a different purpose, and choosing the right one depends on your business goals, whether that's driving traffic, increasing conversions, or boosting brand awareness. TikTok's algorithm is designed to optimize ad delivery based on user engagement, making it easier to reach the right audience. The platform also offers creative tools and templates to simplify the ad creation process. However, getting good results requires strategy, and that's where we'll explore next. What makes running TikTok ads difficult? While TikTok ads can be powerful, there are challenges that can make running them difficult for beginners. Creative first approach. Unlike traditional PPC ads, TikTok ads rely heavily on engaging short-form videos. If your content isn't native to the platform style, users will scroll past it. Learning the TikTok algorithm. TikTok's algorithm is different from other platforms. It prioritizes engagement over traditional targeting, meaning you'll need to experiment to find what works. Understanding ad metrics. Analyzing key performance indicators or KPIs like click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement levels is essential to optimizing ads. Without proper tracking, you could be wasting a lot of money. Budget considerations. While TikTok ads are cost-effective compared to platforms like Facebook, they still require a minimum daily budget. Understanding how to allocate your budget effectively is crucial. Trends move fast. TikTok is a trend-driven, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Staying on top of viral content and integrating trends into your ads can be a challenge. Despite these difficulties though, businesses that take the time to understand the platform and test different ad structures can see impressive results. But how can you make TikTok ads easier to manage? Let's go ahead on to the next point. How to make running TikTok ads easier. If running TikTok ads seems overwhelming, don't worry. There are ways to make the process smoother and more effective. Use TikTok's creative tools. TikTok provides built-in tools and video templates, smart video editing, and an ad library to help create engaging content quickly. Leverage Spark ads. Instead of creating ads from scratch, use Spark ads to promote your best performing organic videos. This makes ad creation easier and increases engagement. Start small and test. Rather than going all in on one campaign, start with a small budget and test different creatives, ad segments, and objectives to see what works best. Follow platform trends. Watch what's trending on TikTok and incorporate popular sounds, effects, and formats into your ads to make them feel more native. Optimize for engagement. Focus on high-energy, eye-catching visuals that grab attention in the first few seconds. TikTok rewards content that keeps users engaged. Work with influencers. Partnering with TikTok creators who already have engaged audiences can make your ads feel more authentic and drive better results. By using these strategies, running TikTok ads can become much easier and more effective. Next, let's look at real world. So is it hard to run TikTok ads? The answer depends on your approach. While there is a learning curve, the benefits far outweigh the challenges. Here's why TikTok ads are worth considering. High engagement. TikTok's algorithm promotes content that gets engagement, giving your ads a higher chance of being seen. Lower costs compared to other platforms. TikTok ads generally have a lower cost per click or CPC than platforms like Facebook or Instagram, making them a cost-effective option. Massive reach. With over 1 billion active users, TikTok provides access to a broad audience. Creativity is rewarded. Brands that embrace the creative nature of TikTok can build strong brand awareness and customer loyalty. While TikTok ads require some strategy and testing, businesses that adapt to the platform style and trends can see incredible returns. If you're looking for a way to reach a younger, engaged audience, TikTok ads are worth a shot.